Hi, my name is Andrew Loudon. I'm the Group Bar Manager and Head Bartender of Tippling Club in Singapore. So Tippling Club has been in Singapore since 2008. Originally we were over in a site in Dempsey. We were there for 5 years before moving into a centrally located site in Tanjong Pagar now. So we're a fine dining restaurant and also a cocktail bar on the side as well. The reason that we have low and no alcoholic options at Tippling Club is because for me, classic cocktails are a passion of mine, and looking through old cocktail books such as the Savoy, such as Ted Saucier's Bottoms Up, low alcoholic options have always been available, and they're great building blocks and foundations for us to work from as bartenders. So we chose to use Lyres because they have a wide range of different flavors that are able to mix into different cocktails, mocktails, and low ABV or non-alcoholic products for people, and it gives people a wide range of choice when they come into Tippling Club looking for one of those kind of options. So we have chosen to make a cocktail called a Venetian Mask, which is a non-alcoholic cocktail. We wanted to take the Italian Spritz and then move that into a non-alcoholic version of a Garibaldi. So with that, we've taken orange and we've taken honey, and we've made an orange marmalade with some cloves macerated in there as well, a splash of fresh lime juice, and then topped up with soda water. The inspiration behind the Venetian Mask is a kind of mix between an Aperol Spritz and a Garibaldi as well. So it's taking those two drinks and trying to make a perfect non-alcoholic cocktail for someone that combines elements of both of those drinks. We look forward to welcoming you in Tippling Club, Singapore.